This is a quick ab workout that can be done at home since a lot of people are in quarantine. If your goal is flat abs, focus more on losing overall body fat with a complete program of cardio and strength training along with a healthy diet. Hey man, what we're gonna do is kick this workout out with some leg raises. What I want you to do is lie on your back with your hands on the floor, keep your feet together and raise your legs. Raise your legs. Raise your legs. Next up, we have toe touches. What I want you to do is lie on your back with your legs straight in the air and attempt to touch your toes. Now touch your toes. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Moving on to the flutter kicks. I want you to lie on your back once again, legs straight and your hands on the floor. Now flutter kick. Now flutter kick. Don't stop because I stopped talking. I want you to do these flutter kicks for 20 seconds. Next up, we have oblique heel touches. What I want you to do is lie on your butt with your back elevated a little bit and reach for your heels. Reach for your heels. Now we're about to see what that plank game looking like. Put your elbows on the floor. Don't have your butt too high in the air. And let me see you hold that plank. Hold that plank. Hold that plank. Just because I stopped talking, that don't mean you get up. I want to see you continue to hold that plank for 30 seconds. Now it's time for you to get up off of that thing. You can't eat much better. Get up off of that thing. Crunch left, crunch right, crunch left, crunch right, crunch left, crunch right, crunch left, crunch right. Whoa. I know you didn't stop crunching because I stopped talking. Now I want you to keep crunching that belly fat. Next up, lie on your butt again and reach through your legs. Reach, 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 reach. Keep reaching. Reach, reach. We've been on flat land the entire workout. Now I want you to climb that mountaintop with these mountain climbers. Now climb. Climb that mountain. Climb. Climb that mountain. Climb. Climb that mountain. If you were paying attention, you see that I put the sets and reps on the screen. But if you wasn't paying attention, man, it's gonna be a long day because that was just one set. You have a total of 3 sets of everything you just seen. Before you go, check out this top secret information coming up. Since you made it this far in the video, you might as well watch another one. I have one at the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. Click one and swallow.